Hi, welcome back. Today we're making thick scrambled eggs for sandwiches. These are the ingredients that you will need to make your thick eggs for sandwiches. These are the ingredients. Sandwiches need thick eggs so that it can hold its form while you put it in a sandwich. The first thing that you will need is to add 4 eggs in a bowl and add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is the secret ingredient in making it thick and fluffy. Following this, season with salt and pepper and beat vigorously. Beat until well fluffy and heat the pan with a tablespoon of oil. Once it is heated well, just well before smoking, you can now add in your eggs. Once already in the pan, you can swirl it a little bit so that it starts to cook and form that thick texture. Afterwards, pat it down so that it takes the shape of the pan. Once it is turning opaque on the sides, that means that you can now flip it. Flip your eggs as best as you can, and there you have the eggs for sandwiches. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. You're going to cut the eggs anyway to match the shape of your bread. And there we have it. Our thick scrambled eggs for sandwiches. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you. Bye.